Take it out.
Bye-bye.
Okay, come here.
Go see Mommy.
Yeah. Oh, should we sing some songs? He loves songs. Daddy, are you going to sing with us?
Of course. Bye-bye.
Rock-a-bye the baby.
Come here, Tyler.
Tyler, come here.
Ooh-wee.
Do you want to sing a song? Ready? If you're
Happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, and your face will surely show it. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands.
Stomp your feet.
If you're happy and you know it, stomp your feet. Boom, boom. If you're happy and you know it, stomp your feet. Boom, boom. If you're happy and you know it, and your face will surely show it. If you're happy and you know it, stomp your feet. Boom, boom.
Yay! Do you want to do Ring Around the Rosie?
Maybe Val and Lucas will do it.
Come here, stand up.
Microscopic Rosie.
Do you want to do it?
Stupid
Okay,
little
ready?
booty. Looking like a tootie.
Ring around the rosy, a pocket full of posy. Ashes, ashes, we all fall down. Good job.
Do you want to put your pajamas on?
Where are your pajamas? Can you bring them to Mommy?
You put them on.
Can you put them on and put yourself to bed? Okay, bye-bye.
Good night.
See ya. Thanks for coming.
Ready? Like a dog.
Follow the finger. Follow the finger. Follow the finger.
Come on. Hurry, hurry, run, run. Give your pajamas to Valerie. There you go. Say, help, please. Help, please.
Ooh-wee. See you later.
Okay, come here.
Ooh-wee.
Tyler, what did Mommy say the other day? Heiny? Where's your Heiny? Where's your Heiny? That was like starting to come down or whatever, and I started like pitching his little beat.
He got wound up. He's feeling it, huh? Second or third wind here. Let him in, Lucas. Go, 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 go.
Mommy's gonna get your Heiny. Mommy's gonna get your Heiny.
Heiny,
Heiny, Heiny.
Show your Heiny.
Okay, go to Valerie and put your pajamas on.
Put your pajamas on.
Yep.
Say thank you.
We're gonna step.
Put his arms in. There you go.